When I start this challenge, put my head in a thread because I was looking for a way to stretch my hair without the heat. So I decided this will be a good hairstyle. But when I finished making this hairstyle, I noticed little particles on the floor. I decided that I would treat my hair afterwards. 7 days. I'm doing a 7 days challenge using papaya leaves, rosemary, and cinnamon stick. These 3 hair growth recipe is being tested and I've confirmed that it actually worked. For me to trim my hair, cut a lot of hair out, I have to do a challenge to replace the growth back. So I use papaya. Papaya has been my best friend since last 3 months now, or if not more. Cinnamon, I just discovered it in this video. People say a lot about cinnamon stick, but this is my first time of trying it, and if at all, if you ask me, I will recommend it way more than clove, in the sense that cinnamon stick, when I use it for this 7 days hair growth challenge, it's a kind of a tingling feeling you will get using cinnamon. So yeah, I will recommend you try it out. As you have seen me prepare this thing, I'm going to use it for just 7 days and I will come back and give you the result. Challenge begins. This is my day 1 of this challenge, and imagine looking into the mirror just 7 days from now and seeing your hair looking healthier, stronger, fuller. With this small action every day, you can create a big change with your hair. Do you know that? Because imagine seeing little breakage on the floor. That means your hair is actually breaking at the end of your hair. Tangles, the knots, the split ends is being cut off every single day, which is reducing or minimizing your chance of seeing the length when your hair is actually growing. I'm going to do this challenge for 7 days, and on the day 7th, I'm going to trim my hair, knowing fully well that I've regained the hair that I'm going to cut off on the day 7. I hope that makes sense. So your hair journey does not change overnight, but routine you start today can change everything. If you're interested, follow me on this challenge, because since I dyed my hair, I've been doing a lot of things to grow my hair back. Dye or colored hair breaks and is brittle a lot, prone to breakage. That's why I'm trying my possible best to grow my hair out. Challenge, I'm also using oil and this spray. I spray my hair, massage it properly with a tangle teaser or with my hands, then go in with my oil. Also massage it properly. TM, 7 days may sound short, but consistency can do whatever expensive products sometimes promise, and they will actually feel you. If you feel like 7 days is small, trust me sis, 7 days with little changes, scalp massaging, spraying a DIY on your hair, and doing these tiny changes, you will see massive growth. Hair growth starts with care. Treat your scalp like soil. Healthy soil grow healthy plants. So if your hair is dirty, you will not actually see the actual growth when doing this challenge. I started my challenge on a very clean scalp. I shampooed my hair and I conditioned my hair. Then I went ahead to put my hair in this thread to stretch my hair out. Another thing I noticed, see, cinnamon stick. I'm happy I added this into this 7 days hair growth challenge because tingling on your scalp feels so good. If you are struggling with dandruff, itchy scalp, you're having lice on your hair, or heavy dandruff, I recommend you try cinnamon stick and you see what it will do for your hair as well. And one thing again, you are not too late to start your hair growth journey today. The healthiest hair that you have been praying for, you can actually start and get it within 7 days. Do not compare your hair journey to anyone else online. You are seeing this beautiful hair online, but you don't know the work it actually puts in. So just start your own and you will admire and fall in love with the progress and see results. Your hair growth is personal and progress is still progress. No matter how small or tiny it is something. So try today and thank me later. Guys, I'm doing great. Every day I wake up to do something for my hair, and even when results seems invisible, your consistency is working behind the scenes. Leave growth alone. Before these 7 days finishes, something must happen. Do well to do something even though it's small for your hair. Each and every day you wake up and see the massive growth. 7 days you are not looking for length, but you are looking for healthy hair, because healthy hair should be your real goal. When you get a healthy hair, strong hair grows better than stressed hair. I hope that makes sense. So do what you can to take care of your hair. What you do daily matters more than what you do occasionally. Your future self will thank you for not quitting. Hair growth is not about perfection, it is about showing up for your hair repeatedly. On this 7 days challenge, I'm prioritizing 3 things: scalp massage, a DIY hairspray, and a hair growth oil. If you notice, these are the 3 things I'm doing in this hair growth challenge. Guys, can you see something? Can you see a difference? Can you see the growth I'm seeing, or I'm the only one seeing this? I hope I'm not the only one seeing this. So challenges does not end here. Real hair growth happens when you stay consistent after excitement fades. After these 7 days, I'm still going to continue taking care of my hair. I'm not going to stop here. So take care of your hair, trust the process, and give yourself time. Then you will see the real growth.
Guys, let me say something before I leave. Today is the day 5 of this challenge, and I'm noticing this thing, like, I've been using rosemary and papaya leaves on my hair before, but cinnamon sticks are the first thing. It's the first thing I've ever used. But cinnamon is kind of hot. So if you're dealing with itchy scalp, try cinnamon stick. Because I noticed that the way my hair has been, it is working like, it feels on the scalp like tea tree oil or peppermint oil. If you know eucalyptus oil, that's how the feeling is on the scalp. So if you're dealing with dandruff or itchy scalp, I recommend you try this cinnamon stick out. You can do the challenge of it on your own using on this cinnamon stick, or you can just do however you want to do it, but I would recommend you try it out. It's very helpful. So see you tomorrow, day 6. Bye. Finally, we are at the end of this challenge. It has been 1 week and 6 days. So let me show you how my hair is looking at the moment.
Okay, let me tell you a little about my research concerning these 3 particular ingredients that I use in this video. Scientifically proven that rosemary stimulates scalp and fights inflammation, so that will help promote hair growth. Papaya, on the other hand, helps to deliver essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, folic acid, and some enzymes called papain. These components clear dead skin cells on the scalp and clog hair follicles. Those dead that clog your hair follicle, papaya leaves will help you actually lift the death. I use this cinnamon stick on my hair before doing my research, so now here is what research is telling me about cinnamon stick. Cinnamon is a popular natural remedy used to stimulate hair growth. No wonder. It is believed to boost blood circulation in the scalp and deliver essential nutrients directly to the hair follicle. Is somebody listening to me? Some research also suggests it contains cinnamic acid, which may interact with pathway vital to hair formation and growth. I'm going to cut or trim my ends because I can't afford to lose all my hair by leaving those split ends in. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. Do well to like, subscribe, and stay tuned because more challenge will be coming, and I'm doing so hard to grow my hair. So if you are ready to join me on this challenge, do well to like and stick with me on this channel because I'll be coming back to back with updates that you will love to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you up in my next video. So kisses coming your way. Take it. Bye.